Alrighty guys, welcome back. We're doing a update to the fully automated trading interface that we are developing in the Discord. So you're going to want to stick around. It's going to be a short one. So just a quick little update. We've been having some bugs, which is why we're testing it. We're in the testing phase right now, where initially we were having it set to take trades at a certain time, and it wasn't following those. So we fixed that in the code, and that is all working now. And we have our interface here. Let me add it. We have our interface where we can set our profit target for the day, how much we want to make per trade, execute that stuff. All this, which is a little new, so you don't have to dive into the code, which is good. Last night, just a little recap, we had one short trade that was a winner, second short trade that was a winner, and third short trade that actually was a loser. So let me show you guys. We actually only ended up, you can see on the corner here, we ended up about $300 per account, which is pretty small. We've been still having some bugs, which we're trying to figure out. Is seems like some of us are getting different trades, which is kind of interesting because we're all running the same exact code and same data feed, right? We're all using basically Apex's Rithmic data feed, and we're getting some different fills. We're getting different trades. So we are trying to figure that out. That is the next thing we're trying to update. So as an example, last night we had the developer, actually this was his trades, he got this short trade at 2.6586, which is right about where I got it, and exit at 2.64, which is that trade, but he missed this first trade for some reason. It didn't enter him into that first trade, and then second trade, it actually didn't exit him while it exited me, so he took a big loss on that trade. And yeah, so we've been trying to fix some bugs. It's little bugs that we're trying to fix, but those little bugs have a big impact, right? So that's what we're working on right now. Right now, the account I started first, I'm sitting around 151,274, so I'm still up about $1,300 on that account. Got pretty close to the threshold, still about, I would say, about, what is that, $1,700 away from the threshold, just because there has been some bugs that we've been working on fixing. So last week, I should have actually ended up about $1,000, maybe $2,000, and we actually ended down about $2,000 last week. There was a lot of bugs that on my end. Other people had more success, but there was a lot of bugs on my end. So that's just a quick little update on what's been going on. I know you guys have been wanting to hear a little bit of an update. So we're not going to be releasing it until all the bugs get fixed. So we're not exactly sure when that's going to be. Hopefully it can be by the end of the month. But yeah, we don't want to give out anything that's buggy. So we'll be continuously working on that. And we also are working on other free automated strategies for the Discord, like the Delta Divergence Auto Trader, which has been getting pretty good backtesting results. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that update. Join the Discord, and yeah, I'll see you guys. Peace.